After watching this video, you will know exactly how to set up a postback URL with a custom domain. So for this example, we're promoting this product. We're going to hit promote and we're going to grab our hop link right here. You can leave all those blank because we are using our tracking inside ClickMagick. So hit copy, and now let's head back over to ClickMagick. On ClickMagick, we're going to create a new link. We're going to name it. Down here it says primary URL. This is where you will paste in the hop link. And click on the wrench icon and add the affiliate click ID. And we're going to go down, select ClickBank affiliate. What this will do is add a token at the end of the URL so that this will assign the tracking link to the offer we just created. So now let's hit create tracking link. Now our link has been created. Now what we need to do is create a custom domain so that the link is more brandable in order to increase our click-through rate. So for this tutorial, we have already purchased a domain name called yourbrainwave.com. So we're going to use that as our custom domain. But first, we need to create a Cloudflare account. Once you have created a Cloudflare account, go to the left column, click on Domain Registration. And here you will click on Manage Domains. And you will transfer a domain that you already own. So you can just use the free plan and hit Continue. And for this, you will go to DNS and you're going to add a new record. You're going to select A for the type and you're going to use @ for the root. For the IP4 address, so for the IPv4 address, you will paste in this IP address. And you're going to hit save. Now let's go over to SSL. On this page, you're going to hit configure and go down to configure your encryption mode to full and hit save. And here you're going to select full and come down. You're going to enable SSL TLS recommender and hit continue. And then go to Edge certificates. On this page, you will come all the way down to where it says always use HTTPS. You're going to enable that. So here we're also going to add a CNAME record, so our custom domain will point to ClickMagick for tracking. So for the type, select CNAME. For the name, just name it to tracking. And the target URL will be the global postback URL we have just generated on ClickMagick, which is this link right here, which will redirect the visitor to the hop link with our click ID. So hit save. Now we have our CNAME and ANAME record added. So right now we have set up two DNS records. One is A record and the other is CNAME record. What are the differences? Now if you just want people to click on yourbrainwave.com, then all you need is the A record. Now for the CNAME, if you want to add a subdomain in front of the main domain, something like tracking.whatever your website is .com, then you will add CNAME. In this case, we're going to just use the A record. The last step is to change our name server. So basically we're going to go on to WPX and tell WPX that we're going to do everything with Cloudflare. So we're going to point our name servers to Cloudflare. So what you're going to do is copy the value, go to your domain manager. In this case on WPX, hit manage name server, click on custom, and simply just delete all the info here. And then for name server 1, just paste in what we just copied, and then copy the second one. Just like that. And now you're going to hit save changes. And now let's go back to ClickMagick to add our new domain inside the domain manager. To get here, click on tracking links, go to tools, and go to domain manager. Here you will hit new domain. And right here it says add a custom domain. This is where you will put in the custom domain we have just purchased. In this case, it's yourbrainwave.com. And we're going to set this up as a CNAME DNS or a record. And we're going to use this for tracking links. For the error URL, this is where you are pasting a redirect URL in case the tracking link has issue with it, and it's going to redirect the visitor to a page that's at least relevant to what they are looking at, so you don't lose the traffic. So if you're seeing this window right here, just wait a couple minutes. Sometimes it can take up to 24 hours, and sometimes it can take up to like 10 minutes. Now the domain has been added. Now let's go back to this page where we have our hop link. And in order to change our tracking link from ClickMagick, we can simply click on this drop-down box and click on our custom domain. So let's hit that and save changes. Now our tracking link is this. That looks much more brandable, and it's going to help you increase your click-through rate, and you can use this in your content. So let's copy that and let's go to a browser and let's type that into our address bar and let's visit the page, and there you go. Just to recap what we did, we have purchased a custom domain from WPX, and we have also created a Cloudflare account. We created a record so that we can point our domain name to ClickMagick. And then we have also switched our name servers from WPX to Cloudflare. And that's how we can add a custom domain on our ClickMagick tracking tool to redirect people to our hop link.